Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to back up your iPad mini 7th generation. You have multiple ways of creating a backup. If you don't want to use any other device, just your iPad, then you can use iCloud for that. So if you open the settings, then you can tap on your name in the settings in order to open the Apple account settings, and then you want to go to iCloud. Then over here you should be able to find iCloud backup. Then you can enable the option to back up this iPad. And also you have the option to backup now. So if you press this backup now button, you will perform the backup. In addition to that, if you can or if you want to use another device in order to create a backup without using the iCloud, then in that case you can use iTunes. You can connect your iPad to a computer, whether you have MacBook or Windows, it doesn't really matter, as long as you have iTunes on your device. And after connecting your iPad to your computer by using the USB cable, you should be able to find the option to create a backup on iTunes. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!